Earth crossed a river of comet debris, and the sky had to decide whether to keep its promise. At first, the night seemed ready to erupt in streaks of light. Calculations suggested that our planet might pass through an unusually dense stream of fragments, potentially producing bright meteors that appeared to fly outward from the constellation Hercules. But the sky chose the quieter version of the story. This was not the storm of the century. What arrived instead was a respectable meteor shower, and even so, a night worth remembering. Those flashes belong to the Tau Herculids, a normally modest shower that offers only an occasional meteor. Its source is the disintegrating comet Schwarzmann-Wachmann 3, which leaves debris scattered along its path. When Earth encounters that material, some fragments create brief trails of light in our atmosphere. A composite image from Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona gathered the night into a single view over 2.5 hours. It captured 19 Tau Herculid meteors. 4 unrelated meteors also crossed the frame, mixed among them like celestial intruders waiting to be found. Beneath those streaks stand 2 major instruments, the Bok telescope in the near foreground and the Mail telescope just behind it. Together, the scene holds 2 very different ways of meeting the universe. Above, pieces of a crumbling comet vanish in moments. Below, enormous telescopes remain still, ready to collect whatever the sky allows them to see. After that encounter, the annual Tau Herculids were expected to settle back to their usual low rate. The next active night was forecast for 2049. The promised storm never arrived, but for a few hours, a handful of bright lines above 2 observatory domes turned the remains of a comet into a human memory.